All right, guys. I'm gonna do a video on how to change your engine oil. 2011 Dodge Durango Crew. Basically, it's the oil I'm gonna use right here. I always use this oil. It's pretty decent. All right. This is high mileage. I have 150,000 miles on this 2011 Dodge Durango. Like as you see, it's 3.6 liters. And I bought this cool light at Home Depot for like $9. Here it is hanging up in the air there. Has a magnet in the back. Yeah, it's pretty cool. LED light. Just hang it up there. Get a little brighter in here. So I bought this little bad boy right here from Amazon. I bought it yesterday. It's like a pump. So instead of going under the car to drain the oil and all that good stuff or whatever, you're supposed to be able to put it through the dipstick and suck it all out of there. Paid like how much I paid? $17 for this here. Next day shipping. I got it next day. I ordered it last night. I literally ordered it last night at 8 p.m. and had it here today. So here we go. We're gonna try it. So bear with me. I must let you know I'm not an expert. Okay, I'm just a regular guy trying to do stuff in my car for myself. So supposedly supposed to take out the dipstick. I'm gonna put that right up here. And I already connected all the hose. There's like a direction as to how to connect the hose, how the oil flows. So it flows in that direction from left to right. So the skinnier hose is going to be on the left, and the output is going to be on your right, the clear hose. So I'm going to put this down in the dipstick hole, like I saw. All right, we're going to put this down as far as we can. All right. Put that bad boy down there, and then I got a clear hose, the other end of the clear hose. I'm gonna put it in my put it in my bin. See if this meets. Okay. Okay, perfect. Get all the way down there. All right, perfect. Oops. Guess not. Hey, like I said, I'm not an expert, okay? Just a regular guy trying to work on his car. I'm not a mechanic, okay? Alright, so let's try to straighten out this hose a little bit. So I'm gonna get something to rest on that. What can I get? I got a rock. Oh. What else? Put this here. There. Okay. So we got the red and the black. So core. So in the Dodge Durango 2011, here's the positive right there, and then here's the ground right there. See? It even shows you ground. Perfect. All right, let's see if this puppy works. So right there, and there goes the ground right there. All right, and according to the instruction, turn it on right here. Okay. Going. Oh wow, look at that. See the oil coming in? Wow. This shit is badass. Look at it. Badass. Look at that. Look at that baby. I like it. I like it already. Hey, hasn't even been 5 minutes. Hook this up in like what, 2 minutes? Sucking this oil out of here. Man, I could work with this. Look at the oil. Look at the oil dripping. I could definitely work with this. I like this. So this is basically, like I said, $17. And it beats having to put your car up on the jack and do the whole works. $17. And look, it's dark out at night. I'm doing this at night. It's like 7, 8 p.m. Wow. I am so happy, guys. I'm definitely loving this. So if you guys find this very helpful, you know, if you find this video helpful, just hit the like, you know, you can leave a comment. Let's keep it positive, because this is all positive, baby. Look at it. This is doing it for me. I am happy. Alright guys, this is it for now. Thank you. 2011 Dodge Durango.